Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below, and hit that notification bell. Today I will be doing a wig made in the sewing machine with the hair by Forever New 7, and it's a blend hair. It comes with 7 pieces, 2 20 inches, 2 18 inches, 2 16 inches, and a 16-inch closure. However, I don't think that I will be using that closure because it's one of those that are like circle, and I don't want to put that in the front of this wig that I'm making. Anyway, it's Forever New 7 piece 1 pack solution, and I got this hair in like a light blonde color. I'll put the exact color that it is in the description box below. It's a sneeze. The hair seemed pretty soft. It felt really good. It was hard to believe that it was a blend. They had this hair in this pack so tight that it made me tangle up that bundle right there. But it's all good. I got it untangled. And here goes that circle quarter size closure piece that I hate. I hate these things. Here's the color and the texture. Okay guys, off camera I sewed the closure piece on. I sewed that on by hand, and I also sewed almost half the wig up off camera so that this wouldn't be a super long video, because it takes me a minute to sew a wig because I'm not that quick at it yet. I'm not that slow, but I'm not that quick either. Right here I was just telling about the hair, how long it is and how it feels. And it's surprisingly super soft, and it actually almost feels like human hair. And they said that you can use up to 330 degrees on the hair. However, when you use 330 degrees, it really didn't get the hair straight enough for me, so I bumped it up to 375, and it got pretty straight. I wouldn't put it to 425 or 450. It would probably melt, because when you're flat ironing this hair, you can tell that it's a blend by the way that it smells. Okay, here's pictures of how it looked after I flat ironed it. Put a little bit of baby hair out. I'm all done. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can see all the videos that I upload. And stay blessed.